What's going on, guys? Stefan here, S&E's Garage. Today we're going to be installing some WeatherTech in-channel vent visors on our 2021 TRD. Let's get right into it. So Toyota went all out on this car and they blacked out all of the chrome that they come with from the factory. And I thought it would be silly to tape some tacky vent visors on top of this blacked out chrome because I love how this looks. So we went ahead and ordered some WeatherTech in-channel vent visors, and the way these work is they actually go in the window channel, so they don't require any adhesive that's going to stick on the outside of the door frame. They go up into the weather stripping, and they look really nice and they're functional. You can open your windows a little bit when it's raining and you're not going to get wet. If you're a smoker, that's good. I'm not a smoker. I like having my windows down, and I think they look good. So let's start with the front. We're going to do the front, and then we're going to do the back. The first thing we're going to do here is we're going to come over to the car, and we're going to open our windows. We're going to start with the front, like I said, so let's just go ahead, open our front windows all the way. So now we have our windows open, and we'll be able to access the window channels. Now, the first thing they want us to do is they give us a tool. It's a little red tool. And what they want you to do is use this tool here and put a paper towel on this end and just go ahead and wipe the inside of your window channel. So let's go ahead, let's get a paper towel, let's put it on this tool, and we're going to clean our channel. Here we have our paper towel in our tool, and we're just going to go ahead in the channel like this, and we're just going to clean it. Make sure there's no dirt, debris, anything like that, because we don't want this to scratch our windows or anything of the sort. So let's just go ahead, cross our T's and dot our I's, make sure this is all clean. We're going to flip the paper towel. We're going to do the passenger side. Here we have the clean end of the paper towel, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to clean the channel of any dirt and debris. Now the next step of the directions is to roll the windows back up but leave about an inch gap. So let's go ahead and get in the car, roll them up. Alright guys, so we have our gap. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to grab the window visor and we're going to install it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we want this edge right here with the protective tape on it to rest right on the windowsill. So what they're going to have us do is slide this end into the window channel very carefully before we do anything else. So we have this end in the channel and resting, and then they simply want us to bow the deflector like this, slide it into the channel, and then you're just very carefully going to work it into place more or less. Being careful not to rip or damage or break your deflector. So the way they want you to do this is after you get this back edge in, you're going to work from the front to the back, and you're just going to slowly pull it down and put it into the weather channel, the window channel rather. Again, being very careful not to break your deflector or damage your weather stripping. And we are pretty much in. So what you should have is this end, like I said, resting right on the windowsill, and this should be in. Just go ahead, give it a test, make sure it's in good. We're just going to check this weather stripping here because I don't like the way that looks. We're going to pop this back over like so, and just like that, we're in. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'm not going to bother recording it because it's literally the same process. Guys, we got the driver's side one in. We did it exactly the same way. So now what they want you to do is go ahead and hop in your car and you're going to roll your front windows up very slowly. And then once they're up, we are going to leave them up for 48 hours. They do not want these windows rolled down for 2 days. So these windows are going to stay up just the way they are for 2 days. And this should allow everything to, seat correctly. So they look awesome. Now we're going to go ahead and do the back. So let me get that package opened up. Let's check the directions and we're going to install them. Alright guys, we got the back windows rolled down. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing with the paper towel. We're going to clean the channel. This is going to be a little more involved because there are metal clips that we have to install. So I'm going to set you up on the tripod and we're going to do this together and figure it out. Alright guys, so this is actually really tricky. So I wanted to do one off camera so I could show you exactly how to do it. And now we're going to go ahead and do this back one. So you want to be about 3 inches from the end of the door. We're going to do the same thing here, 3 inches. You take this tool here and you come up and you basically pull this weather stripping down like this. And once you have it down, you insert the clip. So let me put you on the tripod. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And hopefully you guys can see this, but I'm going to take this hooked end. I'm going to come up here. We're going to come about 3 inches back. I'm going to pull this down. Okay, and now you have two sides of this clip. The straight end is going to go right into here like this. And up. It's a little tricky, and once it's in, this stripping should fold right back up. Like I said, this is tricky, so it might be easier to pull this down a little bit more like this. There you go, and then push it back up. And there we have it. So we're in here and we're in here. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the next step. Alright, so now that we got our clips in, we're going to go ahead and install this visor. So you're going to put your edges in first, and this visor is going to go in front of the clip. So the clip is going to keep tension out on this visor more or less to keep it from falling out. So we're going to go ahead and install this. I'm going to put this end in first actually because it's a little bigger, and then we're just going to fold and the same thing, walk it in. And then push it up. You'll kind of feel it when it clicks. And there we have it. So this side is done. Now again, same thing, roll your window up, go up nice and slow, leave it up for 48 hours. I'm going to do the other side. Alright guys, so now that we got them all done, let's just take a walk around the car and check them out. You can see they are made in Germany, they are a quality product. I have ran these on other vehicles before, and I just figured with the black chrome and the black roof and the tinted windows, they would really kind of make the car look nice. Without looking gaudy, and I like how they're a lower profile than some of the other vent visors on the market. So you saw, install super easy, to take you all 20 minutes, enhance the look of your car, and make your car your own. I just have to go over them with some Windex and a paper towel, clean them up. But if this video helped you, gave you some mod ideas, or if you're watching this to learn how to install them, like, share, and subscribe. I do videos like this all the time. I love modding my cars, and I love sharing it with you guys. So the more of you that subscribe and the more of you that watch my stuff, the more we can do. So we'll see you on the next one.